Hey guys, this is Deanna from WeVideo. Today I'm creating a photo story from my recent trip to Hawaii. The first thing I'll need to do is upload the photos to my WeVideo account. I can grab them from any of my linked accounts or straight from my computer, like today. I select them all at once and upload to my WeVideo account. While the files are uploading, I switch to the Projects tab and create a new one called Hawaii 2013. Next, I click on the green Create New Video button. In this case, I have selected to use the Storyboard mode because it allows me to quickly make a story sequence. The tools are simple and I can finish my story in no time. Before we begin, let me give a name to my video. Once the photos are uploaded, I find them in my media picker. I can drop them one by clicking on the plus button that appears on each photo or dragging and dropping them into the timeline. But today, I want to add them all at once, and I'm going to use our multi-select feature. I simply drag a square around all of the photos that I want to use, and then drag and drop them into the storyboard. I can then set the duration for each of the photos in seconds, and even choose to apply cam burns to all the selected photos. Once the photos are in the storyboard, I can then rearrange them to tell a story. I want to show people that I went to the island, so I want to put that photo first. And then maybe I can show something from the activities that I did, like the boat, or let me look for my snorkeling photo. Here. Once I'm happy with the sequence, it's time to add some final touches. WeVideo has a great library of themes. Themes are professionally designed visual effects, transitions, typography, and soundtracks for your videos. You can choose whichever one works best with your video. I had the simple one selected, but I think I'm going to go with something like polished. I can preview it here. So if I'm happy, I click on Use this theme. And then I go to the title card, which is this first clip here. I click on Edit and add a title for my video. I can even change the colors or the format. And then I'm going to change the duration of it so that it's not that long. Let's preview it. See how the transitions look like little waves? That's why I wanted to choose this theme. If I think the volume of the song is really high, I can always go here and change the volume of it. If I don't like the song, I can erase it, or even drag a new one from our media library. Since I added this photo at the end, I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit. The first thing I'm going to do is try to make it fit with the frame, because if you notice, we have some black lines around it. So I switch to the Transform tab and click on Fit Frame. Then, if I want to, I can add the Cam Burns feature. So I switch to the FX tab, click on Cam Burns, and set the start and end point for the animation. If you want to change the Cam Burns animation that you automatically apply to any of the other photos, you could do it there as well. If you want to add some captions to your photos, you can click on Edit and switch to the Captions tab. Here you can write some captions and even change the format as we did with the title card. Notice that you see a notification in your photo. This means that the clip is not long enough for the animation for the caption to appear. You can always extend the clip until you don't see that notification and preview your video to see how it looks. Lastly, I preview my video one more time before I publish. When my video is done, I get an email notification, and I can then see my finished video. Here, I can share it with my friends, but before I do that, I'll need to make my movie public. Check out the description for this video to see a link to the finished movie. I hope this tutorial inspired you to create your own photo story. Until later, happy creating!